This is Jaime Rivera from Pocketnow.com, and this is part 2 of the video review for the HP iPAQ 900 series. In this edition, we'll look into the software that's integrated into the device. I'm going to zoom in a bit to get a better grip. Okay, so if you've been a long-time iPAQ user like I am, you'll notice that HP doesn't really customize their devices much. As long as for UI enhancements or anything, you won't find much. It's actually Windows Mobile as raw as it could be. What do I think about the 2.4-inch screen? Honestly, I like it. I don't feel it cluttered or too heavy. I like it. I see everything I want to see. I really do enjoy it. Pretty much what you'll get is, well, Office Mobile 6.1, which is standard in Windows Mobile 6.1. You get this new HP Photo Smart Mobile, which was included in the 110 and 200 series. It's a standard application for printing, emailing, recording, and stuff for images. Not bad at all. You get this help and support option, which is good for beginners. It'll give you a tutorial on what you could expect from the iPAQ and things to work on it. Not bad at all. You get also this Google search link, which will actually only take you to PIE and help you navigate through Google. It's really nothing out of the ordinary. You get Google Maps integrated. There is no GPS application with mapping. All you get is Google Maps. How is GPS acquisition on this device? Well, guys, it's not bad. I mean, compared to other devices like the X650 or the Q9, which I've reviewed, it's just as slow. Not really something like the Trio 800 that you saw on Adam Lyne's review, but you could deal with that. Then after that, it's pretty much standard. You get this camera application, which gives you VGA resolution video and also the 3 megapixels from the camera. Not bad at all. Really snappy. Clearview PDF, which is nothing out of the ordinary. You get this HP iPAQ GPS quick positioning. Supposedly, if you download this database, it'll help you enhance the GPS performance. What have I found? Well, I downloaded it and I see it just as slow, but you know, it's there. It's free, so it's nothing that I'll complain about. HP Print Smart Mobile is a very old application which enables you to print things from your device to a printer, Bluetooth printer preferably, and you know, it's nice for it to be included, but it's also free, so you can get it. Internet sharing is included with Bluetooth PAN, which is good. Some of the devices don't have it. If you saw Adam Lyne's Touch Diamond review, you notice there was a remote desktop mobile application which enabled you to map your device to the computer and also listen to the sounds of the computer if you wanted. This is also included in the iPAQ. Really nice feature. Great for it to be included. You get the Sun Java Midlet Manager. Honestly, the best midlet manager I've used yet. It's really practical, really snappy. I have Opera Mobile here loaded with Pocketnow's website, and it loads really good. I don't have no complaints about it. I actually consider it to be superior, far superior to the ones I've used. You get Cyberion's Voice Commander. Compared to Microsoft Voice Command, where I consider it better or worse, I consider it the same. It has the same recognitions and options. In Latin America, where you have more digits for dialing, this actually does recognize more digits as opposed to Voice Command, which will only take the typical 7 digits for a cell phone number. So this really helps around. One thing I do like about Voice Commander is, for example, if you go to Mail, and I have this mail open right here, you get this option for HP Voice Reply, which will actually enable you to record a small sound recording and answer to your email. This is really nice. It actually enables the option for you to be on the run, not being able to actually type anything, and practically record what you want people to hear. I don't like the fact that it doesn't have soft key options, and I'll show you in a bit, but if, for example, you want to control the file size, because it does tend to be a bit large, you can control it from the same SIP settings. So this is really nice enhancement. So if you go to HP Voice Reply and you say reply to sender, it'll give you the bar for recording. Not really an option for soft keys, really uncomfortable, but you have to take your stylus out for this to work. But it's a nice enhancement, not bad at all. Then if we go back to programs, everything is pretty much standard after that. If we go to settings, it's the same deal. Everything is standard. You don't get actually additional button mapping as you did in other iPAQs. All you do is have one option for the hardware buttons that are included. So not bad, not good. I would have enjoyed something additional. After that, everything is standard. Then if we go to the other side, we have the typical controls. we have an audio control, which I believe there's a little bit of a bug here, because every time I would send bass, boost up, or treble, every time I soft reset the device, this goes back. So hope HP is writing this down. Another option that is different is this keyboard function, which will allow you to turn the keyboard on and off and also control the backlight. Really nice feature included. After this, it's pretty much, if we want to go and look at memory, I've already loaded my email and my Outlook, so pretty much you get a 125.74 megabytes of storage, out of which you could say you get a fair 110 megabytes available. And then we get program memory, 112, out of which 58 is available. One thing neat about the iPAQ is you have iPAQ file store, which is back from the old iPAQs. Really neat. So what's good about iPAQ file store? You get 20 megabytes of ROM that are actually separated from storage ROM. So if you get to hard reset, you don't actually have to be depending on a storage card. You can actually use the same device memory to back up files and then restore them. Really nice. I like this. After this, you pretty much get this ringtone feature, which doesn't do much but look for ringtones in your device and let you play them. That's pretty much it. As I mentioned, you don't get a screen rotation option here. It's pretty much just a line screen, clear type and text size, not really something out of the ordinary. Then we go to the other tab, and pretty much here all I could consider different is the fact that, for example, if you saw the 100 and 200 series reviews, you notice they used the Windycom Bluetooth stack, which wasn't good because it didn't really work when you send the device to standby. So it's really nice that HP chose to include the Microsoft Bluetooth stack in this device, which allows for it to remain available when you send the device to standby, which helps with Bluetooth headsets and other options. Wi-Fi acquisition is really good on this device, really decent. It's pretty much standard. You get this HP iPAQ Data Connect, which actually allows you to select the country you're at and then help you get all the settings and connectivity settings from that country's mobile provider. My country's not here, so I'm not really going to look at that. You get this domain Enroll, which will actually allow for you to enroll to domains on corporate networks. I haven't really had the chance to test this, but it's a nice addition I hadn't seen before. This is pretty much what's included in software in the iPAQ. Really, as I mentioned, nothing out of the ordinary. Probably I would have enjoyed the fact that I could control these soft keys also, but this is not included either. This is pretty much it for the part 2 of the video review. If you have any questions or something you'd like for us to see in part 3 as per performance, keep us posted on the forum. Thank you very much for Pocketnow.com.